Let's learn together.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We go to the tutorial how to use the type of the rectangle on your sketch using Solidworks. Okay, firstly, we have five different type of the rectangle. First, corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and parallelogram. Okay, firstly, we go to the corner rectangle. Okay, for your information, this corner rectangle, it will start from the corner of the rectangle, which is it will start the corner. Okay, you can also start the corner rectangle at any point you want, which is the center of the rectangle. Okay, and then you will start of the new rectangle corner. Okay, that's all for me about corner rectangle.